Hello guys, this is Danny Green and today I'm showing you how to install an Autoclicker for your computer. So basically we go to opautoclicker.com, then we press download, then we wait for this, it'll redirect you here and you need to wait for it to download after this 5-second countdown. Once we've done that, you'll see it's trying to load. Oh, so sometimes it has to redirect you again because of an error, so yeah, this might not happen, but it doesn't really matter. So we see it's downloaded our Autoclicker down here, and if you want to, you can drag it onto your desktop, so you can launch it whenever you want. So it's easier to find. So you have to press here to go to the desktop and launch it, and then we can do our Autoclicker settings. Pretty self-explanatory. We can just set this to how often you want it to click, blah blah blah, and then we can start it, and then it's auto clicking. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day, and bye.